Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. I just realized I made the people real small. And for the one I'm doing it for, she sent me this file and I've played with the size so my Corel wouldn't have to work so hard. But she's imposing two pictures onto a picture. And the same thing's going to happen with the ducks. They look really good like this. I mean, I've changed their size too, but if you look at them in your engraved picture, you're going to get a white background. The same thing you're getting here. The background is gone, supposedly, but this is your picture right here, and this is mine. And I'm going to send you this picture. I've removed the background. But if you look at the bounding box, look how tall the bounding box is on hers compared to mine. If we go, there's really nothing there, but it's going to cause problems. If we go to view wireframe, see that box around yours and no box around mine? That's I think your problem. If you need help, more help, just let me know. But I believe if you digitize, if I was going to do it, I would digitize them separately. I would digitize this picture. I would clean these up, and then I would digitize this picture, and then I would put this picture in front of the other one. Now the ducks, I didn't play around with the ducks, but the ducks are going to cause you the same problem. There looks like there's no background, but if we look in wireframe, there's a box. It's a bitmap, basically. I'm going to make part 2 and see if I can't clean this duck up. And it'd be kind of the same way I cleaned up the pictures of the young couple. Anyway, I hope that made a little bit of sense, and thank you for watching.